Welcome to CAD CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain the CATIA syllabus. CATIA syllabus. Okay. This is the very important for all the CATIA designer in a depth, in a view, all the modules I will cover in this session. Okay. So first, see introduction to CATIA V5. Okay, what is CATIA V5? Second, design intent, system requirement. Okay, getting started, understanding the CATIA interferences. Okay, workbenches, menu and tools bar, finding the tools bar. Introduction to CATIA V5, compass, graphic properties. Okay, measure bar, document management, specification tree. Okay, compass, graphic property, manager, मैनेजर बार भी होता है, मैसेज बार, डॉक्यूमेंट मैनेजमेंट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्यू मैनिपुलेशन इनसाइड द fly mode, fit all in, pan command, rotate, zoom in, zoom out, normal view. All the topic I will cover. Understanding view manipulation. See, it is the very important for the all the designer. I will cover a single command, not inside in CATIA. Okay, multi view, quick view, view mode, hide and show, sweep visible space. If you will cover all the syllabus, you will definitely 100% selected in any interview in CATIA. Okay, understanding standard tools, new, open, save management, print, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. This is the all the command and toolbar. Sketch, sketcher inside. I will explain this topic, all this topic. Entering sketch workbench, basic sketching, position sketching, profile creation using profile, predefined profile, circle, spline, conic, line, points, axis. Understanding sketch tools, understanding sketch tool, creating construction standard element, applying geometrical dimensional constraint, understanding user selection filter toolbars, understanding visualizer toolbar, cut part by the sketch plane, 3D element visualization, 2D element visualization, diagnostic, dimensional constraint, geometrical constraint, editing profile using corner, chamfer, relimitation, transformation, 3D geometry, so on. Understanding the constraint creation, constant constraint, fixed together, auto constraint, animation constraint, edit multiple constraint, sketch analysis, part design. I will inside the part design I will cover this topic. Okay, create creating a sketch based feature, pad definition, draft filtered pad definition, pocket definition, draft filtered pocket, shaft definition, groove definition, hole definition. Okay, creating reference element, plane definition, creating a sketch based feature, div definition, slot definition, stiffener definition, solid combined definition. Okay, applying dress up feature, edge filter definition, variable filter definition, char chordal definition, fillet definition, face fillet definition, gentile fillet definition, chamfer definition. Okay, creating a sketch based feature, multiple section solid definition, removed multi section solid definition, applying dress up feature, draft definition, draft relief line definition, variable angle draft definition, cell definition, thickness definition, thread tab definition, remove replace face definition. If you going to any interview, first we will review all the topics inside the CATIA. Okay, it's the very important. If you will one topic will miss, your interview will be, you will be not selected. So you need to cover all the topic. Okay, creating surface based feature, split definition, thickness surface definition, closed surface definition, screw surface definition, creating reference element, point definition, line definition, creating transformation feature. Inside the transformation, all the topic, transformation definition, rotational definition, symmetric definition, axis to axis definition, mirror definition, pattern, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, you know that the well in AutoCAD, scale definition, but in inside same but slightly different. Assemble, assembly definition, add definition, remove definition, intersect definition, union trim definition, remove lump definition. Okay, applying advanced dress up feature, draft, both side, advanced draft, automatic fillet, automatic draft, intersecting new bodies, body, geometric set, ordered geometrical set, understanding toolbar, update all, menu update to mode, axis system, mean dimension, create datum, only current body, only current operated solid, catalog browser, understanding menu toolbar, measure measure between, measure item, measure inertia, all the toolbar name. This is all the toolbar name. Understanding knowledge toolbar, formula, relation कैसे लगाएंगे, how to knowledge inspection, log, design table, equivalent dimension, apply material, how to apply the material in uh, any part, data exchange in CATIA, how to exchange the data in CATIA, assembly design. This is the very important is the assembly design. Understanding the top down bottom approach, understanding the products structure toolbar, new component, new product, new part, existing component with the positioning, understanding constant toolbar, coincident constant, contact constant, offset constants, angle constant, fixed component, fixed together, quick constant, flexible, rigid sub assembly, change constant, reuse pattern. Okay, understanding move toolbar, manipulation, snap, smart move, explode, how to explode the line, yeah, any part, stop multiple, manipulate on a class, understanding product structure toolbar, replace component, grab tree recording, drink, generate numbering, selective load, management, representation, multi instantiation. Okay, sheet metal. This is the very important in a CATIA used in a sheet metal in any industry. Okay, so many industry use in a sheet metal, so it is a very important. So this topic I will cover in a next tutorial. In future I will explain all the topic will cover. Understanding the sheet metal parameter, understanding view toolbar, fold, unfold, multi-view, views, multiple, creating walls, wall on edge, extrusion, sweep wall, flange, hem, you know that the hemming is the basic feature in a sheet metal, teardrop, user flange, arrangement, hopper is the very important in any interviewer ask this question, creating a roll wall, free from the surface roll wall, understanding bending operation, bend, conical bend from flat, unfold, folding, point on a curve, mapping, recognizing definition, understanding the cutting operation, cut off, circular cut up, hole, corner relief, corner chamfer. If you not remember, so click on the photo on the one by one slide. Okay, understanding the stamping operation, surface stamping, bed, curve stamping, flange cut, lower, bridge, flange holes, circular stamping, stamping grip, dowel, user stamping. Okay, understanding transformation operation, mirror, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, user pattern, translation, rotation, summary, axis to axis, understanding manufacturing preparation, check overlapping. If your object will be when your assembly will be so how can you check the overlapping? Save as a DXF file. DXF file is used in AutoCAD. Note, I will explain all the topics, so don't worry. Okay. Surface design. Surface design is the very important in a CATIA because CATIA basic feature in a surface design. Surface design is a very important. So I will depth in a uh, I will explain in a CATIA in a surface design. So don't worry, I will explain. Understanding wireframe toolbar, point and plane repetition. Okay, line, axis, polyline, plane, planes between the projections, intersections, circle, corner, connect, spline, helix. I will note down the single and then I will cover all the topic. Creating surface, extrude surface definition, revolution surface definition, sphere surface definition, trim, creating surface, circular cylindrical surface definition, offset surface definition, fill surface definition, multi section surface definition, blend definition, split definition. Okay, joint healing, understanding the operation of the toolbar. Okay, joint healing. Okay, untrim, disassemble, creating sweep surface definition using the profile type, split line, circle, conic, understanding operation toolbar, extract with the how to extract the object, transformation command, extrapolate, near, fair, analysis. I will explain the analysis in CATIA. Okay, connect with checker analysis. Checker analysis is very important in interview question. Okay, drafting is the very important because your drawing will be represent how much you got a knowledge and how much you represent your drawing to client and your company. So drawing is the very important. So uh, important how to represent your drawing or how to drafting your drawing. So I will best way I will explain. I will explaining in a tutorial. Okay, creating a new drawing file, creating projection view front and unfolded view from 3D projection, auxiliary, isometric, advanced front view. Okay, creating sectional view, offset sectional alignments, line sectional view, offset sectional cut, line sectional cut, creating software. Okay, this way slightly see. I will cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Some PTR rest. So I will cover this. Okay. And this dimensioning, applying the dimensioning, how to apply the dimensioning. Okay. Dimensioning editing using reroute dimension, create reverse review. All I will available for the PDF. Okay. So understanding the tolerance is a very important. So see this tolerance, understanding the geometry of the creation. Okay, understanding the geometry of the modification. So thanks for uh, few slides are rest. So see all the slides. They're very important for any designer. So I will cover. If you any doubt, this is the my mail ID and send me if any doubt. I will try to explain your and I will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.